In this video, I'm going to show you how to find advanced multi-wallet settings on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker. They also have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, set your own presets and your own fees for both buy and sell settings, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. So to find advanced multi-wallet settings on Axiom, all you have to do is anywhere inside the Axiom platform, just click on this button down here, which will pull up the active wallets. And then here you can see your multi-wallets, and up here top right, you can see a cog button, which basically takes you to the settings. So when you click this, these are the multi-wallet buy settings, as you can see, and then you can, of course, change and adjust your buy variance and then your transaction delay as well. And after that, click on done, and you've successfully modified your settings. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.